Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to the Dixie Bushcraft channel. And today, I cheated a little bit. I've already cut it. But today I'm going to do what everybody hates, which is an unboxing video. What's in the box? What could be in the box? Well, we're fixing to find out. Alright, so I got this wild idea. And I made a purchase on Amazon. I caught something and kind of on sale, and I decided that I wanted to spread the wealth out a little bit. So here's the deal. What's in the box? Well, what's in the box is a whole bunch of Mora basic 511s in a red color. Why red? Because I like red. It's going to fit right in with some fire department type stuff. Like I said, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 dozen Mora knives. Now, why did I buy all those? I'm going to throw that on the floor. Why did I buy all these Mora knives? Well, that's kind of an easy one to answer. The reason why I bought these Mora knives is because I'm going to do a giveaway. A pretty good giveaway, if I say so myself. And what this giveaway is going to be is shamelessly to gather support. Okay, so here's the deal. On this video on YouTube, I'm going to give away 4. On this video on YouTube, UGETUBE, powered by the Utah Gun Exchange. Actually, it's a great platform for anybody who wants to do guns and outdoor things that YouTube has deemed inappropriate for public consumption. They're extremely freedom-minded, so I've got my videos over there too. That's UGETUBE, and I'm also Dixie Bushcraft there. On that platform, I'm going to give away 4 of these. And on the platform known as Gunstreamer, GUNSTREAMER, I'm going to give away an additional 4 of these. So, here's the deal. You do not have to be limited to just one platform. You can go to each platform and do the following, and you can enter. You've got 3 chances to win one of the 4 on each channel platform. All the platforms are Dixie Bushcraft. I'm going to put a link in the description below and a little write-up explaining this again in case I'm bumbling around with it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away 4 of these. Okay? The first knife giveaway, and this is going to run indefinitely. There is no end to this giveaway. It's going to run steady, and you'll know when it's going to happen because you can look at my subscriber numbers and it'll tell you. First knife on each platform that I'm going to give away is when I reach 100 subscribers on YouTube, UGTube, and Gunstreamer. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to draw a name at random. I'm just going to throw it out there. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make a little short comment. Just a little teeny-tiny little short comment. I'm asking for a certain comment. I want you to put in the comment section 2 words. Never forget. Never forget. That's because I want everyone to remember and never forget the 343 American heroes who ran into the buildings on 9/11 and gave their lives freely without any concern for themselves, gave up their lives to try to save other people. That's why it's red. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, and go down below and put never forget as a comment. And when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm giving one of these away on each of the 3 channels. When I hit 200 subscribers, I'm giving another one away on each of the 3 channels. When I hit 300 subscribers, I'm giving another one away on each of the 3 channels. And then when I hit 400 subscribers, I'm giving another one away on each of the 3 channels. So that's going to be 12 knives total. Okay? Somebody's going to be lucky enough or unlucky enough. I've got the packaging it came in, but you're going to get this brand new Mora 511 basic carbon steel blade, 0.08 inches thick, razor sharp. Razor sharp. Nothing's ever been cut with it except that little piece of skin that I accidentally just took off. One of you is going to get this knife. And I'll announce the winners. I'll let you know who it is. I'll choose them by random number generator. And I'll use the dates of comments. I will use the dates of the comments, and I will choose between now and the very date that I hit 100, the dates between the time I hit 100 and 200, the dates between the time I hit 200 and 300, and again 300 and 400. So you'll have to keep coming back and keep making that comment. And remember, the comment is never forget. Because ladies and gentlemen, we love our soldiers, we love our law enforcement, we love our first responders, the policemen and the firemen, and EMS. But those men died that day, and there's too many people in this country that are wanting to forget it. Too many people in this country that are wanting to remove it from being taught in our public school system, and remove the images and keep people from seeing the images of what actually happened that day. I won't abide that. I won't let it die. I'll do everything I can. I will do everything I can to keep their memories alive. And for all you radical Islamic terrorists out there, I still want my 343 scalps. I am owed 343 Muslim terrorist scalps. I have not collected them yet, and I have not forgotten. So like I said, if you want to win a really nice knife and help me keep their memory alive, I invite you to go to the 3 platforms I'm going to have mentioned below this video: YouTube and Gunstreamer, Dixie Bushcraft. Till next time, we love you. Never forget.